don't you fight him? Because he'll...
Shut it! Fight!
He won the pop. He doesn't hit.
Oh, looks like the champ's gonna win again.
Dallas. Oh.
Andy, you give up.
No.
Looks like it's gonna be a good fight this time. Been over 40 seconds. Probably gonna be even farther.
Oh yeah, that's man's secret.
The weakness.
What?
Oh.
Boom.
You guys almost.
Now see, I'm not like Ian. I don't move very fast. Ian, no.
Oh shit.
He picked me fucking up.
That was Ian Blaker. That was so Ian.
And
Someone go tell my mom to shut up.